Hi, I'm Malcolm, the developer of Wear Battery Wifi Helper, an app to notify you about apps using Wi-Fi on your watch. Today I'll show you how to install this app to your WearOS watch and give it the permissions it needs. So here's my Pixel Watch 3 and I'll bring in my phone and we're going to install Wear Battery Wifi Helper using FreePOC Downloader. So let's open it. We'll find the app in the list. There it is. And tap on it and press OK. And we can install. Yes, I do want to install the app. And now the app is successfully installed on the watch. Now the app needs a specific permission to get Wi-Fi stats, which we'll grant using Wear Installer 2. So first let's do some setup on the watch. We'll go to Settings, Developer Options. If you don't have developer options on your watch, just Google how to do it. It's very straightforward. And I recommend that you turn on Stay Awake when charging, as I've done here. Connect your watch to a charger, turn on Stay Awake when charging, turn on ADB debugging, and turn on wireless debugging as well. Now let me bring my phone back in and we'll open Wear Installer 2. There it is. And if you haven't used Wear Installer 2 before, there's some text here you can read that explains how to use it, and a video that you can watch, but we'll step through it now. And the first thing to do is to make sure that the IP address of the watch, which is 192.168.1.222, yours will be different from that, but enter this IP address in the space provided on Wear Installer 2's home screen, and you'll see I've already done that. And tap Done. Now we need to pair the phone and the watch over ADB, so pair new device, and in Wear Installer 2, select Pair with Watch. And again, there's some explanation about how everything works, but we're just going to tap Enable, and it's asking for a pairing code and a pairing port. So the pairing code you can see there is 005482, whoops, 482, and then a space. And then the pairing port, which you can see here, is 42079. 42079. And done. Attempting to pair and successfully paired. Now the final important step is to make sure that you enter the random port number, which appears after the IP address. Just go back. And you can see it's 33279. Make sure that's in Wear Installer 2's home screen as well. So 33279 and done. Now we're ready to send the permission from Wear Installer 2 to the watch. So go to the menu, third-party app permissions, Wear Battery Wi-Fi Helper, and send. And we've sent command to the watch, so we can finish, and we get a reminder to turn off ADB debugging on the watch. That's important to do because otherwise we'll use more battery than we need. So turn off wireless debugging and turn off ADB debugging. And now we're done with setting up the app. In another video, I show how to use Wear Battery Wi-Fi Helper to check which apps have been using Wi-Fi on your watch. I'll link to that video in the notes below, and also to other videos for Wear Battery Monitor. You can find these and all my other free apps, including FreePop Downloader and Wear Installer 2, at my FreePop website. That's also in the notes below. That's about it for now. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.